Okay, so we have a lot of work to do. We are getting the rig ready so we can go up Tampa RV Supershow. We're heading up first thing in the morning. We are on our way to RV Supershow in Tampa. So heading out of the driveway, we're taking Gumby and our truck.
Well, here we are, 10:30 in the morning on Wednesday. We've arrived at the Tampa RV Supershow. We're set up to camp for the next 4 days, and let's go inside and see what they've got.
Actually, we first come in, you see the A-liners.
One of my favorite tow behinds is the A-liner. This is a pop-up hard side camper, and they are very roomy inside, and you can get them in a multitude of floor plans. Comes with a refrigerator and a microwave, cooktop, sink. This is going to make into your bed, air conditioner, and the whole thing folds down and is easily towed behind most automobiles. My father had one of these. He loved it. Also has a fantastic fan. The A-liner tow behind. What? This is the rig I want right here.
Bath and a half. Big old Super C. All electric it says.
I would look good in that.
I can't believe how big this bathroom is. Alright, so here we are at the Leisure. And see if we can walk in one that has the island bed. Same. Quality's different. But the same. So this is the Unity.
Because it doesn't have as much storage as we do.
Let's go in.
We got lines inside, but your tank's the outside.
And this also has the island bed with the closets on both sides and overhead storage, just like ours. And it has the mid bath. So here's the one half.
Yep.
I'm going to open up the shower. Which is on the other side. So we walked into Winnebago Adventurer. And this one is actually pretty cool. It's all one level, so there's no step up, which is a concern of mine. Pretty decent sized countertops. And the bedroom, it's a walk around bed. And what a nice dresser it has. And the bathroom is big.
And there is not hardly a parking space to be had for all of the rigs that are here.
Brad has chicken fajitas cooking on the black stone. We're so excited to be able to put some more of our stickers up of some of our favorite channels. Yesterday we met Bill and Stacy with You, Me, and the RV.
Welcome to our Wall of Fame.
So there you go. All right, excited to put up this sticker from Where the Streets Wander. That's Luann and Brian. And they have a great travel planner. Up it goes.
We were honored to be invited to the Roads We Roam's potluck dinner that included 18 YouTube channels and a live stream.
William, why don't you start off here?
So I'm William. I'm with Camper Life, and of course on YouTube. So y'all kind of know who I am. I hope so, but that's who I am. I'll let Bob go.
Hi, I'm Bob with Blue Wave Odyssey. I'm with Russ with the Roads We Roam.
Scott with this nomadic idea. We got the Argosy here.
Diana and I got invited to play one of the games on the live stream. We met so many YouTube channels and actually ran into another couple that had a rig identical to ours.
Well, Sunday morning here at the Tampa RV Supershow 2020. We've had a great time. Toured a lot of rigs, really didn't put a lot of that on. A lot of people doing that kind of content. For us, this was really more of a meet and greet and seeing some old friends and meeting a lot of new ones, meeting a lot of the channels that we actually follow ourselves, and just testing Gumby again with some more boondocking. And really, I believe this was about finding community. We have just met some amazing people.
Oh, I just couldn't agree more. This truly was about just building friendships and relationships and community. And it was so much fun to get together with so many people. And really glad we did it. And we did it last year, and I'm definitely planning on doing it again next year.
Absolutely. I think the highlight for me for this trip was the couple that came over and said, hey, we have a rig exactly the same as yours. These are hard to find, actually. That was only the second one I think we've ever seen.
Oh, absolutely.
That had our exact floor plan. It was great fun to trade upgrade secrets and things that we had done to our rigs. And I'm going to tell you what, if you ever wondered if you need something or want to see what's the latest and greatest gadget, you might just take a look out here in the parking lot.
That's true.
All right, guys. It's been fun. What do you do when you leave the Tampa RV show? We're going to Disney World.
We're going to Disney World.
We'll see.